let's finish the setup page so we can move to the Google login and Facebook login. So first of all, what we have actually forgot was the progress bar. So I'm gonna implement the progress bar first. So private progress dialog and progress. All right, then I'm gonna set up here. After this, mProgress equals new progress dialog, and here we go. Then once a user clicks on the account setup, if everything is filled, mProgress equals mProgress dot set message finishing setup and mProgress dot show. Once everything is done, what it should do, start an intent, and the intent is going to be main intent. All right, so we can copy it from the login activity. We don't really need to type it. So here it is, the main intent, and paste it over here. And let's change this from login activity to setup activity. And before this, we need to dismiss the progress dialog. And one more thing that I actually forgot in previous two parts, with post, this is actually don't even remember what it was. Login activity and check user exist. So inside the main activity we created this method also. So what we actually did was we put it in the start. So I'm going to change it to add it to the on create method. All right, and let's run the app. So once the app is running, let's see what happens. It's gonna take a little time, but that's okay. And zero errors. App is about to start. Yeah, so the app is running now, and what we got, we have the main activity over here. So that's exactly what we wanted. Once the account is set up, we should stay on the activity, main activity. So now what if you just go ahead and try to create an account? It will obviously add the user by default over here, and try to implement the Google login method just using the method that I made a tutorial on. I'm just gonna show you quickly. So my channel, videos, and there must be Google login that I created a tutorial on. Yeah, there it is. So go ahead and try this to implement in your login method, and what you should actually get is when the login is done, for the first time when user is registered, it should redirect us to the setup page. So that's probably you should get it, and if you don't, we will check the error in the next part when we will implement the Google login process. So see you guys in next part.